Can a front-wheel drive hatchback still be the most thrilling performance car under 60 grand? The 2025 Honda Civic Type R doesn't just answer that, it dares you to prove it wrong. This is Cars Trends, where every curve, corner, and combustion is more than just numbers. Let's talk about one of the most driver-focused machines of this generation. At first glance, the Civic Type R looks calm, almost mature. But look again. The widened fenders, aggressive front splitter, hood vent, triple exhaust, and that iconic rear wing, it's clear this car has no interest in being subtle. Compared to the previous generation, the design is sleeker, cleaner, but just as menacing underneath. Every vent, every line, every cut in the body serves a real function. It's not styling for style's sake, it's purpose-built aerodynamics. Under the hood is the heart of the beast, a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4, now pushing out 320 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. Power goes to the front wheels only, through a slick-shifting 6-speed manual that feels as precise as a rifle bolt. And here's the beauty, there's no automatic option. If you want to experience what makes this car special, you have to drive it with both hands, both feet, and full attention. 0 to 60. Just about 4.9 seconds. Top speed, 169 miles per hour. But this car was never about raw straight-line numbers. It's about balance, precision, and engagement. On the road, the 2025 Type R is sharper than ever. The chassis is stiffer. The steering is laser-focused. And the dual-axis front suspension nearly eliminates torque steer, making you forget you're even in a front-wheel drive car. The adaptive dampers read the road 500 times a second, adjusting in real time for optimal grip and comfort. Whether you're threading through city traffic or attacking a track day, the Civic Type R reacts instantly, confidently, and always under your control. It doesn't fight you, it encourages you. Inside, the experience continues. You sit. Inside, the experience continues. You sit low in deeply bolstered red sport seats, with aluminum pedals below and a metal gear shifter dead center. The digital cluster gives you track-ready telemetry, while the central screen runs the latest Honda Connect infotainment with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's not luxury, it's a cockpit, and it feels exactly as it should. Compared to rivals like the VW Golf R or Hyundai Elantra N, the Civic Type R still holds the crown when it comes to pure, connected driving. The Golf R may have AWD and more straight-line grip, but it feels detached. The Elantra N is wild and fun, but it lacks the refinement. The Type R finds that magical space between everyday usability and raw motorsport energy, and that's rare. Fuel economy. A respectable 22 miles per gallon city, 28 highway. Not bad for something this potent. Insurance averages between $1,800 and $2,000.